Hello, eSource Parts. This is Anthony Griffiths with Griffiths Fixes. What I'll do is I'll create a video to show you what I mean. It's hard to convey it through email. Anyway, here's just a regular breakout board for USB-C. Just gives pinout for all the connectors. They're all labeled. There we go. Various labels for each pin. Anyway, this is what I use to test the connectors. Here is the board of a PS5 controller. This works. It came in for a joystick replacement, not related to the charge port. Charge port is fine. So what I'm going to do is USB-C. It looks the same. It looks the same as the ones you're selling, as well as all of the ones that are on AliExpress or eBay or Amazon or any of the other online stores. They all look the same. So here we go. Plug in my breadboard. Now, if you just pay attention here to the microscope, I'm going to try to prop it up so you can see which pins I'm looking at. So I've already created a breakout. This is the pin set of an actual PS5 controller based off this. This is the actual part. So turn my multimeter on. It's on continuity, so it beeps if you hear it. Let's bring this a little closer to the screen. Alright, so based on my breakout sheet here, second pin from these two ground pads right here, these two, the first two big ones, they're actually ground. They're not connected to, actually sorry, the outer two on the edges are ground. Let me get a little closer here. This one is ground, that one is ground. The issue that we're having is second pin is VCC. All of them are the same except for pins 3 and 4, pins 9 and 10. So we got 3, 4, 9, and 10. Those are wrong. They need to flip around, and I'll show you why. So based off my breakout here that I've already created, and I'll zoom in so you can see the breakout. Next pin past the second pin, so pin 3 is B8 on my breakout board. Alright, B8 on my breakout board is right here. And B8 will correspond to that pin in here. I'll show you that under a microscope. So again, B8 right here. Where's it to? Here we go. B8 should be the very first pin after VCC. So we have ground, VCC, and this should be B8. I should hear a beep. Hear a beep. Alright, great. There's a beep. It's continuity. Everyone's happy. So let's go back. Hey, here's your connector. We're going to set it up in the exact same position, same breakout board, same tests. Here we go. Come out. Here we go. Here's your connector. Look, I'm unplugging it. There's the orientation of the connector. Still unplugged. Here's your connector. There we go. Now, see, it's plugged in the exact same way as it would be from the main board. They look almost identical, but not quite the same. Anyway, so let's check it. Same port again, right? All right, here we go. B8. See, B8. In the view, perfect. So again, we're looking for first pin past VCC. We have ground right here. Those ones, VCC. Should hear a beep. No beep. I bet you it's the next one. See? B8 pin 4 on your connector. And on the PlayStation 5 port, it's this one here, pin 3. Pin 3 and 4 are switched. This one here is actually A5, A8, no, A5. A5 is what this one should be, and it should be B8 on that on the breakout board. And the same thing, pins 9 to 10, they're switched. So again, it should be this one. This one right here, as you can see. But it's not, it's instead this one. Your ports are wrong. They don't work. They won't work for anyone. No models. The port USB pinout is the same for the BDM 010, 020, and 030 boards. It's not eSource parts fault, but it's your supplier's fault. Whoever is selling you those ports from wherever you're getting them from, it's the same place that all the other places online are getting them from, and they're just generic USB-C ports, female connector. They're not the proper pinout for the PS5 controller.